Mantiques Network. How are you? Jeff in front of the camera, Jeff behind the camera. No Jim today because we're in Arizona. They pulled me out of retirement so we can show you this new horse that we've got here for sale today. Jeff just finished up another beautiful 1950s champion horse. These are the kind you'd see outside the drugstore. Put a dime in, you played it, but they never look like this. What we've done here is Jeff's gone out, he brought it all the way down to its bare skin. He's put on the best car paint you could possibly put on. So you've got a gradiating brown to black to the white socks. Absolutely beautiful. When it comes to the saddle, we build a brand new custom saddle, have these made just like it would be made for any kind of horse. 10 cents, sign machine on, thing works perfect. What we like about this, there's our military. What we like about these horses and the people that buy them from us, basically, it's from 1950s. It's a beautiful piece of art that you also can ride. So here we go. Got the Bonanza music on it. Enjoy the ride.
Attention parents, please do not leave your child unattended while riding the ride. Enjoy the ride, kids.
So we don't get these very often. We are out of course. This is probably the last horse we're going to have for quite a while now. Like I said, we're in a semi-state of retirement, all three of us. So if you think you want it, jump on it because it's going to be a while before we have one again. Join us at the Mantiques Network.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.